What if you get lost in the wild? What if camping turns into real life man versus wild?
Today we are here at Premier School Dhaka. The school has arranged a workshop on camping and survival skills. So we are out here, we are checking out some survival equipment, and we have also got everyone checking out the tent there. So yeah.
Usually most of the animals will come and attack you at night. So if you are camping, you will be actually having a sort of a cycle where somebody will be awake for at least 4 hours to 6 hours. The thing with the tactical belt is that it's made out of a special kind of material, so it does not retain water. It will not shrink or extend if you dip it into water. Because if you are wearing a belt, if it shrinks or extends, then the reason is the belt won't be tight. Why I need a belt? Because most of the stuff that you carry will buckle into your belt. Into this and press, that's it. So it will fill your water bottle. You don't have to do in that, because what happens is when you're trekking or going anywhere, you may not find a river stream everywhere. This is actually a hammer. So if you want to hit something, you use it as a hammer. You use that as a hammer, and you can actually tie it to your leg, or you can put it on your belt, whichever way it is filled. But do take a knife similar to this.
Today we are going to go through some camping instruments. So let's begin. Headlamp. Very nice and useful. You can use it you can use it as a torchlight and have your hands free. Then we've got a knife. We've also got small knives as well, multi-tools and small knives. Then we've got much more important stuff, flashlights. Yeah, we've got multiple flashlights actually. So yeah, we've also got something that's very important for rice saline. So if you do get malaria maybe or cholera, this is very helpful. This is probably the most important thing that you would need if you wanted to cook. We've got a stove, a portable stove, and a lighter to go with it. Alright, it's camping time. Let's get ready.